Hello everyone, welcome to my SQL playlist. This is a part 2 of this SQL series where we are discussing all the SQL statements from basic to advanced. Today we will be discussing the distinct keyword. The distinct keyword operates on a column and the syntax looks like this. Select distinct column, the column name which we want to extract from the table, and the table from which we want to extract the column. So this is what the syntax looks like. So for example, let's take the employees table as an example. So as we already know, to see all the columns from the employees table, what we will do, select star, which means all the columns from employees table. We hit run and we get all the columns from the employees table. But in case I want that what are the unique first name in the employees table, or what are the unique genders in the employees table. Suppose there are male, female, and maybe some other also. Okay. So in that case, what I will do, I will use distinct function, distinct, and then in parenthesis, we can use the column name for which we want to see the distinct or the unique names under which. It will work with or without parenthesis as well. Whereas later on, we will learn adding more calls such as count and distinct together. The parenthesis will be necessary in that case, but here parenth with or without parentheses as well, it will run. See, and I will run it. Now you see that there are only two rows or the two unique values in the gender columns. Similarly, we can see for the first name as well in the employees table, and we will get the list of all the unique names present in the employees table. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.